Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove Google search bar from your Android home screen. So as you can see here right now, I'm on my Android home screen and there is a Google search bar up here, right? And if you want to remove this, you just have to tap and hold your screen like this, and it'll open up a UI like this. This is where you can manage your widgets, right? And because the Google search bar up here is part of a widget, we just need to go to the widget menu, and to delete it, I just have to tap and hold and then just drag it to the top like this, release, and then it's deleted. Now, what about other types of Google search bar? Now, it doesn't matter what kind of Google search bar you have. So for example, here I'm just going to add a random search bar. I'm going to go to Android widgets and I'm going to add in a different kind of Google search bar here. So for example, instead of that kind, I'm just going to do a Chrome one like this. So it's a different kind, right? So it looks different, but it doesn't matter because since it's a widget, the process stays the same. So I'm just going to drag and hold, drag it to the top, release, and then it's deleted. And then we're done. No more Google search bar in our home screen. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.